Open the Royalq app. Click Online. Click API Binding. Choose Huobi Exchange. Open the Huobi official website. Log into the computer version. Click on the avatar. Click API Management. Enter a custom note. Check trade.
Return to Royalq app.
Click Copy IP. Return to the Huobi API page. Paste the copied IP. Click Create. Click I understand. Get the verification code and enter it. Click Confirm. Copy access key.
Return to Royalq app.
And enter the access key. Return to the Huobi page and copy the secret key.
Return to Royalq app.
Enter secret key. Obtain and enter the verification code. Check risk warning book. Click Bind.
Royalq